Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW, and the video that we'll be making today will relate to almost any BMW. So we're talking about airbag light being on. Okay, this is a 3 series guys, but as I said, it will work on 5, 7, 6. It will work on X3, X5, Z4, any BMW guys if you have that code. Airbag light is on, check it out, it doesn't go away. Okay, pretty annoying. So we're going to discuss guys the code that triggers that light and how you can fix that. Okay, super simple. So the code is 93AD 93AD code guys, and this is for the side airbag. Okay, I'll be using here the Maxicom scanner. Okay, that's super simple scanner to use. You can use it on any car, not just BMW. You can check it out on the channel if you're looking for a scanner. That thing is really good for the price. And I'll go under diagnostics now. Select control unit for that BMW. Select body, airbag system. And we're going to read the codes and see what codes we get. Okay, it's going to take a little bit of time, and this is because I forgot to turn the ignition on. So if you don't have the ignition on, the computer is going to tell you even, okay, make sure that the ignition is on. Number one, yep, I forgot to do that. So body, airbag module, okay, perfect. It accesses the module now. Now we can go ahead and read the codes. We click read codes and check out now. Okay, the code, the second code, 93AD. This is side airbag right side. Side airbag right side, 93AD. So this means that it's somewhere, okay, airbag in the system, on the on the right side, in the seat over the door. Most of the times will be a seat airbag. That code 93AD will be seat airbag on the passenger side. So on that 3 series right here, this is the side airbag. It's in the seat right here. You can see it says airbag. That's where your cover is. And what could trigger that guys? Sometimes it could be a weak battery, sometimes it could be a bad connection under the seat. And often we found out, okay, that people will spill things under the seat sometimes, and that will result in a bad connection. Now depending on which model and year you have, the connector might differ, but this is a very common connector for a BMW. And I'm going to show you now how to usually disconnect it. Okay, it will be like that here installed, so you need to get a flathead screwdriver. There is a place where you can gently, okay, do not break it, gently slide, okay, that piece out, and it will kick the connector out. Now in our case, okay, you can change the wire from the side airbag, and you're going to find out that in our case it's that side connector, okay, right here, the one that on the very last part. You can see this connector consists of 1, 2, 3 parts. The very left one, the one that has just 2 wires, this is for the side airbag. And those 2 wires, you need to make sure that everything's clean there. Okay, you can see how it has coffee signs right here. There was spilled coffee, and that caused all kind of troubles under the seat here. So you have to make sure everything's clean, you don't have any corrosion, because sometimes if you live in a wet climate, you know, like humidity by the coast, you can have some oxidation there as well. So clean it good, clean it with electrical connector cleaner, and install it and see if that will fix the problem. Hopefully that will be guys your problem. So thank you for watching, please hit that subscribe button for more videos, and see you guys next time.